Hello everyone, Nikhil this side from Coding Beam. So in this video, we will see the more on the types in the TypeScript. So about that, the next type is the tuple, and the tuples work like an array with some additional considerations. And the number of elements in the tuples are fixed, and the types of the elements are already known. So to create a tuple, so if I will now go to VS Code to create a tuple, so then it will be like the let, and it will contain the tuple name, like it will contain like the skills, and it will be equals to the tuple. So then we have to define the type as the tuple. So it will contain the array, and this time the array will contain only the fixed number of values. So the first value will contain always like the skill, and the first value will contain a number like a number of the skill, and then the skill, and the skill will contain as a string. So now we have defined the tuple as the skills. So if we have to define as the skills here, so skills, and it will be equals to the first value contain a number, and the second value contains a string. So if I will define the string as like the programming, and if I will now save with that, so then we have to use programming in the keywords also because they are in the string. So if I will now save, and if I will now run the app.ts again, and then if I will now use the skills as the console.log, so it will contain the skills. So if I will now save again, if I will now compile it, so now you will see it contains a tuple, and then you will see the number is there, the number equals to the 1, the number, and then the string is there as the programming. So now the skills are there, and if we change the order of the elements, then it will give us the error. Like if I will define the programming here, except this, if I will define here, and then you will see it will give us an error because the first value will always contain as the number, and this time we are now defining here as this string. So now you will see the type string is not assignable to type number, so it will give us the error. So these are the concept of the tuples, and the next concept is the enums. So the enums are a group of named constant values that never changes, and if we store the enums, then it by default start from the 0, and it will increment by 1 for each enum. And for the enums, so if I will now go to VS Code to check the enums, like then, and if I will define an enum example, if I have to define here the enums, so first we have to use the enum keyword to define that, and then we have to follow by the name of the enum, like that will be the months, and it will be the object, and it will contain the object, and then we have to define here the enums, like it will start from the 0 till we define the enums. Like if I define the month as a Jan, so it will start from the 0, and if I will define here the Feb, it will by default get the value of the 0, 1, 2, 3 and all. So if I will define the March, so if I will now save, and if I will now just console.log the enums as the months dot, it will contain like the Feb, so it will start from this time it will contain the 0, and it will contain the 1. So if I will now just console.log months.feb, it will give us the 1 because it will start from the 0, 1. So now you will see it has now give us the 1 because it starts from the 0. And if we have to define here the number starting from the 1, so to start from the 1, we have to define the first value as equals to the 1. So if I will now save, and if I will now run the app.ts file again to check the output now, so then you will see the Feb will contain this time the 2. So now you will see the Feb is now contains the 2, and we can define any other values in that also, like Feb will contain a string value also, like string value can also be there, like it will be like the Feb. And if I will now save, and then we have to define here the March value also, so it will contain like this string or any other value, like the numeric value also, like this, like 5. So then if I will now save, and if I will now just console.log the Feb again, or the March also, like months dot March, so then you will see it will give us the output as this, as the Feb and the 5. So the enums can also contain some custom values also because they are just constant values and they are declared on the ones. So then you will see the months.feb equals to the Feb, and the March equals to the 5. So these are the concept of the enums. And the next type is the void type, and it specifies the absence of having any type. So the void type is the type which is empty and it doesn't have any value in it, and if we define it in the functions, then it cannot return any value. So if I will now go to VS Code to demonstrate, like if I will define a variable as the let, like the let a, and the type of it as the void, so it will not contain any value. And then if I will define the value as the a equals to the any value like 1, 2, 3 or any value, it will not accept any value. But if I will give the value as the undefined, then it will accept that, because undefined mean the absence of a value. And then these are the concept of the undefined. So they are also used in the functions, and the functions we will cover later in the course. So if we have to use the function like the function, and it will like the console.log only. So the function log, so it will contain a message also. If we have to define the type as the void, the function will contain the type of the void. So if I will now just console.log it, it will contain the hello. So now you will see the function doesn't return anything. So it means it is type of the void. So it will don't return any value. It will just console.log there. So if I will run again, so then you will see it will not return anything. And then if I will now just run this function console.log, and it will now just console.log only. So if I will now save, and if I will now compile this file, so then you will see it will give us the hello, and the second value is the undefined, because it will not define anything, because it will don't return any value. So these are the concept of the void. And the next type is the union, and the TypeScript allows us to use more than one data type for a variable or a function parameter. So they are called the unions, and it allows us to use more than one type. So to demonstrate a union, if I will go to VS Code to define a union, and if I will define a union as like the let, and it can be like the code, and the code can be of the type of the string or, and this keyword contain the or the number. So the code can contain the string value also and the number value also. So if I will give the code, and it will be equals to like the 1 2 3, so it will accept that value. And if I will give the code equals to any string value, like it will be like the E123, so then you will see it will accept both values. But if I will give the code as any other value like the false or true or any other value, so it will not accept that. So then you will see this is giving us the error. So these are the concept of the unions. So if I will just console.log the code, and if I will now save and run again, so then you will see it is giving us the code which is E123. So these are about unions. And the next type is the never type, and the never type does not contain any value. So the never type is a type that contains no values, and because of this you cannot assign any value to a variable with a never type. So never type are most rarely used in the TypeScript. So they are only used if you have to define here some error messages, like if you want to define the function, like the function will contain the function and like the show error, and it will contain the return type as the never. This will contain the return type as the never. So if I will give a parameter of the function as like the msg as the message, and it will be equals to the string, so it will just throw new error, and then the error will contain as the message which we get in the parameters. So these are the use of the nevers, because they don't return anything and they only return something like some error messages. So if I will now just console.log the show error, and then we have to define here the message, like the message will contain like this is never type. So then if I will now save, and if I will now run this app.ts file, so then you will see it will show us an error in the console. So then if I will now expand this, and if I will now run the JavaScript file again, so then you will see it is now showing us the error, and the error is this is a never type. So these are the use of the nevers. And the next type is the type aliases, and the type aliases allows you to create a new name for an existing type which we have defined. So for example, if you have to define a type alias, so if I will now go to VS Code, so you define a type alias like a age, and the age will be a number, and then use the age type in any other variable declaration, and it will identify the age type. So if you will define the type alias, you have to define with the type keyword, and then the type of like the age, and the type of age will be equals to the number. So now you will see the type of age equals to a number. So if you will define the age of the employee like the employee age, and it will be the type of the age, so then you will see it will contain the age value, and the age contains a number value if you will over that. And then if you will just console.log or give a value of the employee age equals to 1 2 is equals to like 20, and if you will just console.log the type of employee age, type of the EMP age, and the value, so then you will see it will give you like the type equals to a number and the value equals to this. So then if I will now just compile it again and if I will run it again, so then you will see it will contain the values. You will see the number, the type contains a number and the number equals to the 20. So these are about the more on types on the TypeScript. So thank you guys for watching the video and I hope you will like the video, and guys please subscribe to our channel if you are new.